Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Lucky Ali. I'm from New Delhi, and I currently working person. And as far as concerned my qualification, I have done my graduation. That's all about me.
Yeah.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay, thanks for this having me this opportunity to present myself in front of you. First of all, my name is Saddam Hassan and I am from Assam in India. Currently, I'm a student of class 11 and as well as I'm learning English. So that's enough, bro.
Yeah.
So,
How
bro,
long
tell
been
me what kind
uh,
of work do you do?
how long been using learning English?
Yes, yes. It's only 6 months I have been learning English. It's a little bit. So as well as I talk to other people to improve my communication skills. So I have been learning English for 6 months.
Okay, okay. Because
So
you fashionable to English language, right? Because this
yes, yes,
problem I only for me and everyone everyone want to fluency and everyone like English language. So English is most important to everyone. So this is my purpose to join this group and so many people to invite and call with you. Actually, third call to video call because video call I am not facing
yes.
camera before. So I will start this video call facing camera because facing camera very important role of English journey. So English journey. So
Yes,
I can yeah I can decide you every person who want to me call with me uh, I invite you and I invite everyone.
okay. Okay, please. I'm not. Actually, I'm not able to see you. Please turn on your video.
Is right?
First
Is
of all, you
okay?
off and yes, yes, turn on. Again, okay, just wait a minute. I
Yeah.
think it's network problem. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
the
okay.
network
Bro, no
problem.
problem. Yes, okay, okay. You say that
Visible? I'm visible.
video call is very important. Yes, yes.
Visual.
No, no,
I'm
no. I'm
visible.
saying that just no, no, bro. Okay, bro, no problem.
No problem. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
You said that video call is yes, video call is very helpful for fluency. Yes, yes, it's correct. It's right. When you will video call conversations, you can full confidence that to say something. I'm right.
Yeah, right, right.
So, bro, tell
Because
me, how long have you learned English?
just started this journey because I decided to improve my only myself because my area no one speak English language and my relative and my family member no speak English language. So I decided myself and only for way to YouTube channel. So I decided to make a YouTube channel and a conversation video and going to upload and check my fault. What I'm doing every day. What I my fault doing every day.
Yes,
Yeah.
nice, bro, nice. You have a YouTube channel, so you can upload. this kind of video, then
I
some
am
people
recently
will be motivated.
Yeah, brother. I recently two video uploaded, and third one third one you, and and I watch your video yesterday on YouTube, and
Thank you, bro.
and go to description box and find your number. Then I decide you call you and invite you. Yeah,
Yes. Actually, I give my phone number in description that some people will
yeah,
be help conversations to myself. So that's why I put my number in descriptions.
yeah. I'm also put the my
Bro,
number
tell me how.
and
Yeah, yeah, nice.
yeah. What is your goal? What is the purpose your speaking journey? And how think you motivate to speaking?
Yes, yes. Actually, I want to give UPSC exam, so that's why I have to learn English. I have to know this language. Without this language, I cannot get any proper books, any proper guides. So that's why I decided to learn English. English is very important for me. As a student, I have to learn English. So there are a subject in my college, in my books. So I have to learn these books. So I decided to, if I know English, if I can conversations other people, so it will be benefit for my exam, for my communication skills. So that's why I'm learning English, bro.
And your English is so good compared to me, and lots of experience holder. So I want to ask you
No,
one
bro.
question. I want to one question. Ask you one question. Um, how which type you book daily basis reading?
Yes, yes. Actually, I didn't read any books. I learning only from YouTube. Okay.
My
I have a
God, you
book. It's Yes, I have a book in Assamese medium, so it's not for helpful to fluency in English. So I used
brother,
to
how
practice
old are you?
communications and
How old are
practice.
you, brother?
I'm sorry.
How old are
Yes,
you,
yes. I'm
brother?
17 years old, bro. I'm only
Oh my God,
17
you're
years old,
so
bro.
70. Oh my God,
Yeah, bro.
that's very amazing. Because I met yesterday one YouTuber, and name is Saru. He from
Yes, yes.
Chhattisgarh.
Yeah.
I thought
Yeah.
many fashionable person who are really impressive, and I really I motivated this boy, and I decided to learn English. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So how did you meet, decided, how did you motivated to him to see?
Because
What did he say?
many people also daily by excuses daily how to go and how to learn English, how can going on how to decide learn English. So that's why reason, and these people also believing yourself, yourself.
Oh,
But
nice.
this time your golden opportunity to have, you have mobile phone, and you have daily basis data, and
Yes.
you have phone. You can change your life, and easily you can survive your life. You can entire whole changing. So that's why I'm very
Yes,
well motivated. And my professional also like English journey. So I decided this language uh, learn, because I'm working in Maruti
yes, yes,
Suzuki.
yes.
Maruti Suzuki. I'm
Oh,
I'm working in Maruti Suzuki now, and I'm working
I,
in 12 years experience. 12 years experience.
oh, nice. Oh, nice, nice, amazing, bro. So
Yeah,
yes, you said that mobile phone. If mobile phone, you can change your life because if someone use it's good for his improve, so he can everything from mobile phone. Now this mobile phone is a very helpful materials. So YouTube is very
yeah,
important. YouTube is very
yeah,
helpful for every. So I'm learning English only from YouTube. So I think mobile phone is good. Is YouTube is good.
yeah. Decide for you where where is see yourself, where is he yourself, and where is our yourself. That's being important. Did you get
Sorry,
my
bro,
point?
please repeat again.
Did you
No, bro,
get
no,
my
bro.
point? Because YouTube
Please
is a
repeat
very
again.
because YouTube is a very popular platform to gain your communication skill, whatever you want. Just find
Yes,
find your YouTube relative, and that see lots of video and
yes,
make yeah, right. Yeah, brother.
yes. Right, right. You said right. It's good. So, bro, tell me how old are you? I think you 26, 54.
I'm 34 years. 34.
34.
Oh.
Oh my God, bro. Are you married or unmarried?
Yeah, sorry.
Are you married or unmarried? Do you have any child?
Yeah, married person, brother. My married person. I have a kids, three kids.
Oh, okay, yes, yes. You can suggest to learn English. English is very important for everyone. So you can suggest your child that English is very important. You have to learn English. So you can say him,
Yeah,
okay?
of course, brother. And you can tip
Yes,
give
yes,
you me tips how can learn English, and how to improve my skill, and how to improve everyone who want to this video going to through, and how to gain your vocabulary, how to gain your conversation, how to gain your grammar. Will tell me.
yes, yes. Yes, bro. Yes, yes. I'm telling. Actually, first of all, we should learn how to read English. Okay, first of all. Then
Yeah,
after, we should learn some grammar, a part of grammar. Okay, some of like tense, prepositions, some vocabulary. It's enough. So then after, you can talk to other people. So you know
yeah,
that English is a language. It's a not a subject. So when you
yeah,
was a child, then you learn your mother tongue. Okay.
yeah,
So you listen and you have to listen. Listen is very important to know this language. Listen and talking. Okay. Then
yeah,
after you can video call other people. So you can make some video. If you don't understand, you cannot. You should not. So then after you
yeah,
can communications other people. So I think it's very important to communication, listen and reading and to know vocabulary. Vocabulary is important to make sentence. Okay.
right, right, right.
So and as well as as well as you should motivated. You have to confidence. Confidence is a key to success. I'm right.
Right.
So you have to confidence. So that's enough, I
Right.
think.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay. And what about your hobby? What about your goal? And what about your ambition?
Yes. Actually, first of all, my hobby, if I say my hobby is like talking. I love it to communications other people. After my ambition is that I want to teach people that there are many people they are understood but they are not able to speak. So I want to teach that person, that's people. So thirdly, my aim is that I want to give UPSC exam. So I want to become a IPS officer. That's
Right. Yeah. This is very good. Uh, Very good from.
thank you, bro.
Thank you. And what about your going on your YouTube channel? It's growing or not?
Yes. Yes, mashallah, bro. Nowadays, I think my subscriber 104 and watch time 140
Oh my God.
140 watch time hours.
That's wonderful.
Okay, bro. Everything is possible for your support, everyone support.
Right. If you work right way, you can easily people want your love and give you love and watch your video also. I think I watch
Yes.
two video your. I watched two video your,
How
and then I decide you.
how
Then
was
I decide you. Sorry.
how was it? Video good or bad?
Yeah, right. Good, very good, brother. Very good. Because man, first time do any work, so, that time little bit tough, but you continue
Yes.
upload video, continue face camera, continue meet every person. That's time you gain your improved and gain your build your brain, your thought and your idea. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, brother.
That's right. Practice is important.
Yeah,
Thanks.
practice may
So I
make a
think
man.
yes, right, bro.
Right, brother.
So actually, you are good person too. Uh, Thanks for giving this time, your valuable time. So thanks,
Thank
bro.
you so much. Thank you so much to join my conversation and lots of I bet in lots of minute and thank you so much and you can join again my conversation because
Okay,
my passion, my ambition also this time only for speaking, not any at all any work, only for speaking. And that's why join this group and I make other video and I make other type work daily basis. Yeah.
okay. You can call me when you get free time. I will help you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you and
Night. Good night.
good good night and Khuda Hafiz.
It was Hafiz. Allah.
Thank you. Alhamdulillah.